Hello, dear viewers. How are you feeling today? Today, I am going to discuss about how that you can insert a picture in Microsoft Excel from your PC. Go to Insert menu, click the picture, then you can select a file from your PC. Let's suppose I am going to select from my download WhatsApp image and click Insert button, and then you can see that I have inserted a picture. Now you can copy, cut, paste from anywhere, and you can also put a link or assign a macro. You can also format this picture as well. Shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges. So today, guys, I have teach you about inserting a picture in Microsoft Excel. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon or get notification of new videos. Thanks you.